hope is dead. We got overrun. We stay at the farm. But they just keep coming. We try to run. I just keep running. I don't know if Sweetie and her friends made it, but judging by the screams, I think I'm the only one who made it. I'm hiding in Ricky's house. I'm in the basement, but I can hear them outside, banging and banging, trying to get it. I'm so sorry. I just want to see them. My family. I love them so much. I'm sorry for being such a bad son. Please don't come looking for me. There is no hope. This place belongs to the dead. We are lost no matter what. I'm sorry. I let everyone down. I'm